If you operate a registered training organisation in Australia, your insurance requirements reflect both the educational service you provide and the regulated environment in which you deliver it. RTOs are registered under the Australian Skills Quality Authority framework, deliver qualifications on behalf of government funding bodies, and operate training facilities that create their own liability and premises exposure. Getting your insurance program right requires understanding both the commercial and regulatory dimensions of your operation. Here is what cover RTOs need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Professional indemnity insurance is important for RTOs delivering vocational education and training. It responds to claims arising from your professional work course content that is alleged to be incorrect or misleading, a qualification that is awarded incorrectly, inadequate assessment processes that result in an underqualified graduate, or advice to a student that causes financial or career loss. As RTOs face increasing scrutiny around training quality and student outcomes, professional indemnity is a meaningful and growing exposure. Public liability insurance covers third-party injury and property damage arising from your operations. Training facilities, workshops, and trade training environments create genuine liability exposure. Student injuries during practical training, equipment-related incidents, and premises liability for visitors and students attending your facilities. Public liability limits for RTOs delivering trade training should reflect the physical nature of the training environment. Workers' compensation is compulsory if you have trainers, assessors, administration staff, or other employees. RTOs delivering hands-on trade training have a workforce injury risk profile that reflects the practical training environment. Cyber liability insurance is increasingly important for RTOs holding student records, USI information, government funding data, and personal student information. Privacy obligations under Australian legislation and the sensitivity of student records make appropriate cyber cover a genuine consideration for RTOs of any size. Business interruption insurance covers revenue loss if an insured event forces your RTO to close. For an RTO with enrolled students and active funding contracts, an unplanned closure creates both revenue loss and compliance obligations that cannot simply be paused. Contents and equipment insurance covers your training equipment, simulation systems, computers, and facilities against damage, theft, and breakdown. What does it cost? RTO insurance costs vary based on the type of training delivered, student volumes, facility size, and claims history. Trade training RTOs with physical workshops pay differently from online or office-based training providers. Work with an advisor who understands the vet sector and RTO-specific insurance requirements. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your RTO. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options. No obligation.